Okay, nice having you once again, my wonderful scholars. Question number 20, JAM past question 2001. The thermometric substance of an absolute thermometer is thermometric substance. Thermometric substance is any material, be it solid, liquid, or gas, that permits the functionality of a thermometer. What do I mean? A good example is this. There's a thermometer called mercury in glass thermometer. The thermometric substance in that thermometer is mercury. It's mercury that permits it to measure temperature. There's a thermometer called alcohol in glass thermometer. The thermometric substance is alcohol. We have a platinum resistance thermometer. The thermometric substance there is platinum, a metal. We have so many other thermometers. Gas thermometer. The thermometric substance there is what? Gas. That's why from the options you are seeing alcohol, mercury, helium, platinum. They are all thermometric substances. But the question here is that which among these measures, okay, which among these can be called absolute thermometer? Absolute thermometer. Recall, in thermodynamics or in heat energy, there is something called absolute zero temperature. Absolute zero temperature. That's the temperature where vibration will cease. Nobody has attained that temperature. That temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. That temperature is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius or 0 Kelvin. What happens there? At that point, the particles in a body, be it solid, liquid, or gas, will stop vibrating. It brings about destruction. Nothing has attained that temperature. We've not even got to that temperature, except for mathematics. Mathematically, we've arrived there, but physically, in the real world, we've not gotten there. This is a very wicked temperature, a temperature that can cause the body to go into extinction. The body will disappear from existence. So this is a temperature called absolute zero temperature. Then anything called absolute thermometer is tending close to it. Any thermometer that can measure as low as coming close to this is called absolute thermometer. Then common sense will tell you that solids and liquids cannot do this. Solids and liquids can't do this. Before solid will get here, the solid must have squashed into, the particles must have scattered into pieces. It will shatter into pieces because of the way the particles in solids are arranged. Even liquids can't do it because liquids can easily go to what? Solid. So the best option for this is gas, and not all gases. The most suitable gases are hydrogen and helium, but the most suitable is helium because these gases have very high freezing points if they have at all. So the only thermometric substance that will tend towards measuring substances that are as cold as near to absolute zero temperature is helium. Helium is the thermometric substance that can tend near to absolute zero temperature, and no other thermometric substance in the option can do that because helium has a very high freezing point because of its nature. It's a gas. So the best option there is helium.